Here we go. Alrighty, back again. This little job. Okay, because of the difficulties we had, this little job, the concrete is immensely hard, and we had 2 posts we had to remove, and I wasn't going to dig 2 posts out of the ground. It's just too hard. It would have damaged the concrete slab, it would have done all sorts of double damage. So what we did was we were able to get in there, cut down, right down to the concrete pier on both those. We replaced the piece of steel that was corroded on both of those. Okay, welded that back up, cleaned it up, and refitted them. We had to clean up the bolts because the bolts were all corroded. None of this was painted before it went in. So we repainted the plates. I painted the bearer. I should have put a bit more paint on there. But that's okay, they're repainting this week. But yeah, painted it all up. So in between the timber and the steel, there's plenty of painted there. And the same down there. I've put Sikaflex around the post onto the steel, so no more water will get in between there. Same there, it's all Sikaflexed up. It's all painted with the galvanising, and we even used galvanised steel on the plate and on the post. That's some galvanised steel on the truck, some hot dip. So yeah, all been fixed up, welded, painted, and in there. Now we've got high strength concrete that I bought at the store, and we're now going to put that in and bring those domes up to about 2 inches off the top, so no more water will sit around these posts. Alrighty, that's where we're at. We're finishing this one and we're going home. Okay, talk to you soon. See you again on another one. Bye.